Springdale Academy has offered you a full scholarship.
I had gotten my grades back on track.
Congratulations, Mr. Connolly.
I had my best friends, Izzy and Miles, and I had finally moved on from the things that happened in my past. Now my dysfunctional parents, who can't agree on anything, are united in making decisions they think are best for me.
So you're going. End of story.
What's so freaking exciting about being the new kid?
I know it's not easy, honey, but it's the best thing for you.
And the one person who changed everything.
Anthony and I grew up together. We were inseparable. We did everything together, but after what he did, he changed schools and he stopped talking to me.
Why'd you do that to him, Anthony?
Is that why you don't want to go to Springdale?
And now, I have to start all over.
Just dark and moody all the time.
Wes?
Even with everything that happened in my life at the moment, I've never felt so insignificant.